David, welcome. Welcome to this beautiful moment where language meets the heart. I have been so deeply excited to share today's lesson with you.
Emily, the feeling is completely mutual. I was walking here thinking about how much power words have, and I just couldn't wait to dive in.
Beaming with pride. That is the spirit of a true learner. Today, we are exploring a word that is like a golden bridge to the future. We are talking about the magnificent word, will.
Will. It sounds so strong, doesn't it? It feels like more than just a grammar rule. It feels like a commitment.
Precisely. You have captured the soul of it already. In English, we use will when we make a sudden, beautiful decision in the moment. Imagine we are at a cafe and the waiter asks for your order.
Oh, I see. Instead of overthinking, I just say, I will have a large coffee, please. It's a spark of action, isn't it?
Yes, it's that instant spark. It's like a light bulb turning on in your mind. I'll help you with those bags, or I'll call you right back. It's the language of being present and helpful.
That is just incredible. It makes the language feel so alive. But Emily, I've also heard people use will when they are talking about their dreams. Is that different?
Oh, David, that is where the magic really happens. We use will to make promises and predictions from the heart. When you say, I will always be your friend, you are using that word to anchor your soul to the future.
I love that. It's like will is a promise we make to the world. It's not just a plan, it's a vow.
Exactly, it's a vow. And can you imagine? We also use it to look into the crystal ball of life. The sun will rise. You will succeed. It carries so much hope.
That reminds me of a story my grandfather told me. He used to say, one day, David, you will see the whole world. He wasn't just guessing, he was believing in me.
Oh, my heart. Your grandfather was using the future of certainty. He was speaking your success into existence. Isn't it wonderful how one tiny word can carry so much love?
It really is. It makes me want to use will for everything. But tell me, Emily, is there a secret to saying it correctly? Sometimes I hear I will, and sometimes just I'll.
What a brilliant observation. I'll is like a quick dancing feather, perfect for casual conversation. But when you want to be strong and firm, you say I will. It adds such weight and importance.
Testing the sound. I will learn English. I'll see you tomorrow. You're right. One feels like a rock, and the other feels like a breeze.
Applauding. Bravo. David, your intuition is simply stunning. You are capturing the rhythm of the language so naturally.
Humbly. Thank you, Emily. Your energy makes everything feel so clear. I used to be afraid of the future tense, but now I feel like I'm standing on a mountain looking at a beautiful horizon.
With deep warmth. And that horizon is yours to claim. Remember, every time you use will, you are claiming a piece of tomorrow. You are saying to the universe, this is what is going to happen.
With renewed energy, I feel so motivated. Can we try one more example? What if I want to offer help to someone who is struggling?
Oh, please do. Show me that beautiful heart of yours.
Gravelly and sincerely. If I see a friend crying, I would say, don't worry, I will stay here with you until you feel better.
Oh, David, that was perfect. You used it to offer comfort. You used it to provide a sanctuary. That is the highest form of communication.
With a soft laugh, I actually felt the strength of the word when I said it. It really does change how you feel inside.
Radiating joy. It truly does. My dear student, you have mastered the spirit of will today. Not just the grammar, but the emotion behind it.
Gratefully, I will never forget this lesson, Emily. I will practice every single day.
And I will be right here, cheering for you with all my might. You are a star, David, and your future? Oh, your future will be so very bright.
Hello, hello, my wonderful, beautiful friends, and a very special welcome to you, David. Today is a day of pure magic because we are exploring a word that holds the entire future in its hands. The incredible word, will.
Oh, Emily, I have been waiting for this lesson. To me, will feels like such a strong, bright word. It is like a golden light shining on everything that is yet to come.
Exactly. It is the heartbeat of our dreams, David. When we say the word will, we aren't just talking about time. We are making a sacred promise to the universe.
A promise. I love that perspective. So when I say the words, I will learn English, it is more than just a plan on a calendar?
Yes. Oh, 1,000 times yes. It is a vow. You are telling your heart and the world that this is your destiny. It is the language of certainty and strength.
That is just incredible. It makes me feel so powerful. But Emily, I notice we use it for smaller things too, like when we guess what might happen.
Oh, you are so observant. Yes. Think of will as a crystal ball. It will rain tomorrow, or you will be a phenomenal speaker. We are looking into the distance and sharing the vision of what we see.
So using will is a little bit like being a fortune teller. I can see the future with my words.
Precisely. You are a linguistic magician. But here is the secret, David. Will is also about the beautiful, sudden now.
Puzzled but deeply intrigued. The now? How can a word about the future be about right now? That sounds like a mystery.
I imagine we are sitting in a cozy cafe. The waiter asks what you want. You don't say, I am going to have coffee if you just decided this very second. Instead, you say, I will have the coffee.
Oh, I see. It is like a spark of light, a decision made in a single heartbeat.
Yes, I'll open the door for you, or I'll call you back. It is the sound of a helpful heart making a quick choice to be kind and present.
That is so beautiful, Emily. It makes me realize that grammar isn't just about rules. It is about being ready to help others in the moment.
It truly is. Can you imagine a world without that spontaneity? Will allows us to offer our strength to a friend. I will carry that heavy bag for you. It is an act of love.
It is like a bridge. I use will to cross the bridge from my own thoughts to someone else's need.
What a stunning metaphor. You are capturing the very soul of this language. And remember, David, when we shorten it to I'll, it becomes a soft, lyrical melody. I'll be there for you.
Practicing slowly and softly. I'll be there. It sounds so much more intimate. It sounds like the voice of a true friend.
Beaming with pride. It does. It is the sound of connection. Now, David, tell me, what is one wonderful thing you will do today to make your soul happy?
Oh, I know exactly what I will do. I will go for a long walk in the park and I will look at the golden sunset, thinking of all these beautiful words.
Oh, David, that brings a tear of joy to my eye. That is the perfect use of will, a vision of beauty and a commitment to your own happiness.
Gratefully, thank you, Emily. You make these grammar rules feel like poetry. I used to be so afraid of making mistakes, but now I just want to speak and share my heart.
Encouragingly, never fear the mistakes, my brave student. They are just the stepping stones on your path to greatness. You are shining so brightly today.
Determinedly, I will keep practicing every single day. I promise you that, Emily.
And I know you will. To all our friends listening, believe in your future. Use your will with courage and love. Until next time, keep dreaming.